Thank you, say it loud. Kindness makes everyone proud. Use your manners at table. Eat with spoon, fork and plate. Manners make your food so great.
Be curious.
Ask and learn, explore each day. Curiosity shows the way. Keep your school bag ready. Books and bag, pencils too. Ready for school, smart like you.
Fireplace.
Water the plants, watch them grow. Green and happy, row by row. Do small chores at home. Help at home, sweep and clean. Little hands make big scene. Avoid screen time too much. No too much TV or phone. Play outside, use your own zone.
Sing or dance daily.
Sing a song, dance around. Happy tunes all day sound. Nye wear clean clothes. Shiny shirt and pants so neat. Clean clothes make life sweet.
Yes, say sorry when wrong.
Oops, I did, sorry say. Friends forgive and stay all day.